The book of Zephaniah. It's short, just 3 chapters, but it's intense. Zephaniah talks about God's judgment, a call to turn back to Him, and surprisingly, a lot of hope. Let's break it down in a way that's simple and easy to follow. Chapter 1. Judgment on Judah. Right off the bat, Zephaniah starts with a bang. He talks about how God is fed up with Judah. They've drifted far from Him, worshiping false gods and living like He doesn't exist. Zephaniah warns that the day of the Lord is coming, a time when God will clean house. This isn't just a bad day, it's total chaos, darkness, destruction, and distress. It's like God saying, enough is enough. Similar warnings pop up in books like Isaiah and Joel, showing that this is a big theme in the Bible. Chapter 2. Turn back before it's too late. In chapter 2, Zephaniah calls out to the people, saying, seek the Lord, seek righteousness, seek humility. Basically, it's a plea to turn back to God before judgment hits. Then, Zephaniah shifts his focus to other nations like Philistia, Moab, and even powerful Assyria. He makes it clear that no one is exempt from God's judgment. If they're prideful or wicked, they'll face consequences. For example, he predicts that Nineveh, the proud capital of Assyria, will end up abandoned and in ruins. Chapter 3. From Judgment to Hope. Chapter 3 starts with more tough words, this time aimed directly at Jerusalem. The city's leaders are corrupt, and even the prophets aren't speaking the truth. It's like everyone's gone off the rails, and God's been trying to get their attention, but they're not listening. But here's the twist. After all that, Zephaniah shifts to hope. He talks about how God will eventually restore His people. He'll gather a humble and faithful group who will trust Him completely. And then there's this beautiful verse. The Lord your God is with you, a mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In His love, He will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. It's such a powerful reminder that even when things seem dark, God's love and mercy are always there. So what can we take away from Zephaniah? First, don't take God lightly. He's loving, but He's also just. Second, no matter how far we've drifted, it's never too late to turn back to Him. And third, there's always hope. Thanks for hanging out. If you found this interesting, give it a like and share it with someone who'd enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next. See you in the next video.